Have you ever stood in a supermarket staring at two sizes of the same cereal, wondering which is the better deal? The bigger box is usually cheaper per gram, right? Not always. This is where a little bit of math becomes your consumer superpower. It's called unit pricing, and mastering it will save you thousands over your lifetime. The idea is simple. Find the cost for one single unit. The magic formula is total price divided by quantity. So for a 2-liter bottle of milk costing $3.60, you divide $3.60 by 2. That's $1.80 per liter. A 3-liter bottle for $5.10, divide $5.10 by 3, and you get $1.70 per liter. The larger bottle is the winner. By comparing the cost per liter, we remove the distraction of different sizes. But stores try to trick us. They use specials like 30% off or 2 bags for $6.50. To find the true value, always apply the discount to the total price first, then calculate the unit price. And beware the multi-buy trap. That party pack of chips might feel like a bargain, but the math often shows a multi-pack of smaller bags is cheaper per unit. The largest size is not always the best value. This even works for online shopping. See a game for $39 US? To find the Australian price, you don't multiply. You divide the foreign price by the exchange rate. If the rate is 0.65, you divide 39 by 0.65, which is 60 Australian dollars. Suddenly, that cheaper US price isn't cheaper at all. It might seem like saving a few cents is trivial, but it adds up. For a factory buying tons of sugar, a tiny difference of less than a cent per gram can mean saving hundreds of dollars. The secret is always the same. The best buy is the item with the lowest unit price. Go shop with math.